We put an ad on the local Facebook buy and sell group asking if there was anybody with a bobcat and an excavator because we needed some work done. And Cole is the one that responded. He came over this evening to look the job over and asked when we needed it started, and Mom jokingly said, well, tonight. And he said, okay, I'll do it tonight. He had his equipment with him. The first job I had him do was try and get this huge rock that had fallen into my pond out of there. It was bugging me all this time.
Oh, he's getting there. Nice. Right on, yay.
The next job I wanted done was a rock wall built. We have all these big boulders that were kind of in our way, and I thought, well, let's put them to use. So he does a good job of building me a wall.
Getting him to take down some trees now. Sad but true. We need more trees gone.
He got right in there and is leveling out a planting area for me. And then he's building a second rock wall, but with smaller rocks up top there, as you can see.
We're getting him to fix our drainage issues that we always get into the shed. The water goes there, so. Now he's tearing up our road to try and get a better grade on it. I love seeing progress. My mom's even getting in on the action, hauling dirt around. Got his little skid steer out and leveling out the RV pad.
He's kind of bouncing all over, but he's back to the shed area and filling in the ruts and smoothing it out underneath the roofs there where all the water was. If you've watched my previous videos, you know how dreadfully it filled up with water. So we're hoping, like anything, that this works. Of course, no guarantees, but he's sure trying his best. Now he's being pretty clever and using both his machines to try and get this big boulder that he rescued from my pond. He's having to do quite a bit of finagling to get it, but he does get it. Cole charges $120 an hour for his excavator and $90 an hour for his bobcat, but that includes loading and unloading and some travel time too. And he charged me fuel, which was extra on top of the labor machine costs. So the whole project, building my wall and grading everything, cost me $1,423. I will leave his contact information in the description if you are local and interested in hiring Cole.
That's the way to do it. Well, Cole did a really nice job grooming and contouring this area. But now, as you can see, it is a big old patch of bare dirt. So I need you, my viewers, to help me decide what to do with this area. My idea is that I would like to plant it in a cover crop, and then next year it'll be a vegetable garden because it gets lots of sunlight, this area, and I just think that would be a useful purpose for this space, a very practical purpose. And I wanted my paradise property to be all about the food, the edible, everything. However, my family, my mom and brother, want it in turf. They want me to plant grass. And they've done so much for me on this place that I feel like I should oblige to them. But I am against lawns. They serve no practical purpose as far as I'm concerned. So I need you to help me decide. Is this going to be a vegetable patch next year, or is it going to make my family happy and have a nice lawn? Thanks for your help. Thanks for subscribing, because there'll be lots more videos coming of how I develop this beautiful paradise pond that I get to live in.